Hmm.
Calling Abdullah Saqib, calling Abdullah Saqib. Check, check, check. He wants to check his earphones. Is it all right, Abdullah Saqib? Check, check, check. 124, 124.
Ma'am, you forgot 3.
He's not even
Oh, actually,
answering.
it's leaking. You know, my mic is leaking.
Oh no.
Sir, is that recording?
Yes.
You made the host? You are recording
I
now?
guess his earphones are not working
Her microphone.
because he's not responding.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I've logged in. Okay.
Oh no. Yeah.
What do you want to eat, better? I'll give you a clock.
You have drawn in your book now. This is my book now. This is my book. Yes.
I can see you opposite, ma'am.
It's okay.
Same.
Take a class with you.
No, Spider-Man.
It's all right now. We'll have a ulta class today.
नाम चेक करनी ज्वेलिया Apu, Shabana ma'am was seen upside down. Amina, you also seen upside down.
Hello. Is this all right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute.
Apu, look at that. Upside down.
Stand upside down. Right? Do y'all want to see me upside down again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Today let's do that class upside down. Okay, we do that.
Okay.
All of us. Come on.
How do I make myself upside
Do you
down?
like this? You can see video, stop video. Next to it, there's an arrow key. Over there, you just click it.
Ma'am, stop it. Yes.
Ma'am, that we have
You can
only
see your
laptops,
video
not
icon.
mobiles, ma'am.
You can see your video icon.
Upside down.
Yeah.
Video setting, you have to go.
Yeah, we are the Spider-Man. We're on the roof.
Ma'am, how do you do it upside down, ma'am?
Ma'am, we have to go.
See your
Can't see
video
any-
icon. Next to your video icon, there's a arrow key over there.
Ma'am, we have to do video setting.
And then you rotate it to 90 degrees.
How do I do it?
That's only there in laptop.
Ma'am, is it in an integrated camera?
No. You have to rotate 90 degrees. Okay. Right.
How do I
Anyway,
go?
you know, I've got a special video for you all today. Really interesting video. Okay. So it's specially dedicated to, I think you all will know when I'll show you all that video. Yeah.
And then how do I do that? Close it. And
Can you hear it?
well,
Can you hear it? Okay, let me just put it in. Yeah, 1 minute.
anyway,
I'll share the computer sound as well. And here we go. Amina, whom do you think this video is
Alpacas are
dedicated
generally
to?
shorn annually. The best fleece comes from the blanket, back, side, shoulder, and rump. The first baby clip commands a premium because of its extra fineness. Shearing is done with conventional sheep shearing equipment or hand shears.
Come on, girls, who is this video dedicated to?
Alama.
Awesome! And Abdullah Saqib, right? Hello and welcome back. And how did you like the video?
Nice.
It was nice.
It was nice.
It was just nice. Tell me, wasn't it fantastic? It's dedicated to all my boys out here with fantastic hairstyles. Okay, right. Okay, so Ahmed just got his hair trimmed, so I guess he's excluded, right? Anyways, coming back to our persuasive speech writing, it's just a little part is left, and then we'll go into the activity part. Yeah. Share the screen with you all. Just a minute. Okay, right?
Yes.
We were over here, you remember, right? Okay. So we have the annotations and we have the colorings and we can just go ahead with it. I think we were done with the introductory paragraph and even the first para after that. Yeah, okay. Yes, right, Sophia. Okay, thank you. All right, now we can just go ahead. Now, how do they connect the second paragraph? They're starting with secondly. All right, secondly, it's what? Many children do not have a mother. Okay, so it is a well-known fact. Now, secondly is orange in color, number is 7, and it says cohesion. That means, again, it's linking. So remember, we have to always link your first paragraph with the other one, okay? You cannot just jump, you cannot just leave it hanging in between, okay? Now, it is a well-known fact. So, what is a well-known fact? That many people have difficult family situations. Now, what is it? Purple? Yes, Mutapur? Which color? It's purple. And what's the number?
9.
Okay, fantastic. And what is it? What does it say? 9 is for what?
Devices.
Exactly. It's a device that you're using, right? Because you're trying to persuade using the fact, okay? And it's a question which is predicting a fact. So whenever you question, what happens is you make sure that the person, his attention comes to you. Okay, fantastic. Now, consequently, this day can make many people feel uncomfortable. Mother's Day is therefore a reminder of some people's grief, complicated family structure, which is exceptionally unfair. Okay.
I'm agreed.
Agreed? Thank you. So, should we just stop it over here? Okay. Now, what number is that? Yes, Munib?
Yes, ma'am.
What number is that, Munib?
Ma'am, green one.
Yeah, grief, complicated and exceptionally.
12, ma'am.
It's 12. And what is the speciality about the 12th number?
Can I say, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, it is
Spelling.
12, but the color is green. No, ma'am, but
No, it's not a
12 is
green
blue.
color. It's not a green color. It's a teal blue color. So you just check the
Ma'am,
number.
spellings.
Yes, ma'am.
Exactly.
Spelling, correct spelling. Challenging
Correct
word.
spelling, right? And these words are challenging words. That means these words have more weightage, okay? Because this will definitely make the person sit up. So when you are making your speech, you just don't have, easy words, fluent words. You need to have a toss of words which are a bit difficult as well, right? Because again, you need to have a good vocabulary, a good command over your language. You need to have a good enrich your language so that your speech is effective. It sounds very, very interesting. Okay. Usually grief is a spelling which people do definitely goof up on. Okay. Now what is there? Finally, so now this is your third para. So when you say finally, what are you trying to say? Okay. Again, this is a connecting the previous paragraph with this paragraph. But when you say finally, so what are you trying to say, Abdullah Saqib?
You're trying to say that the story or whatever you are writing will finish.
Okay. The story or whatever you're writing is finished. Finally, when you're saying, it's like you have come to the end of the points, you have come to the end of the arguments, you've come to the end of your devices, okay? All your options which you have to give 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever pointers you're giving, this is the final one that you're giving. So fantastic, Abdullah, you were correct. Finally, every day should be Mother's Day. How many of you all agree to that? Okay, Sakleen was the first one to raise his hand. Farhana is not at all interested in raising her hand, Farhana. Okay, Madhapur was fantastic, Abdullah. Okay, Munib is raising 2 of his hands, okay? And Munib, what is it? Are you camouflaged? I can see all grass over your face. What is it?
Yes.
Are you camouflaged? Any particular reason? Do you have lions around you? Nobody.
I guess it is internet problem. Because when the internet is really low, it happens.
Okay.
No, it is virtual background.
They were all llamas, right? Okay. Anyways, so it should be like he's saying the final very valid point. Okay, and usually your last point should be very, very strong, very, very valid, wherein you are going to say that it's Mother's Day should be every day. Why? Because mothers work tirelessly every day to do everything for their children. Okay, one single day a year is not enough to repay the mothers. Okay, we should treat every mother every day as Mother's Day. Every day we should do something, whether it's big or small, to show our mothers or people who are important in our lives how much we love them. Okay, so now what is whether and big or small? Yes, Sophia, you can
Ma'am,
speak.
big is large.
No.
And
You connect it with the annotation. The number 15 and the color green.
one second, ma'am.
Yeah, it's on the right of your.
Sentence structure.
Yes, interesting with additional information. Okay, so if you see, this is the way you're building up your speech. This is the way you're building up your case, right? Now, finally, in conclusion, it is obvious that Mother's Day should be banned because it wastes money and it excludes many people. It is better to show your appreciation for someone every day rather than on a single day. Therefore, it is clear that Mother's Day should no longer be celebrated. Okay. Now, Sakleen, what is...
I agree with whoever wrote this.
I agree totally. Me too. I agree. Every day you all should celebrate Mother's Day, and
Every day you will appreciate.
give us rest and give us gifts. Okay. So I totally agree to it. Okay, Sakleen, tell me, what is in conclusion? What do you think is in conclusion? It's number 7, right? And it's orange in color. You want me to go up, or do you know what it would be?
Cohesion.
Linking words.
Yeah, it is linking words. Remember, always your para should be starting with the linking words. Fantastic. Okay. Now, obvious. What is obvious?
Audience 9.
Okay, that's your
Persuasive.
number 1. So, perfect. Audience persuasive device. It's a very strong language, right? Wherein you're persuading the audience, saying that it is so obvious. How can you all be blind to it, you know? It's in other words, you're trying to twist their arm, okay? Therefore, it is clear. Again, when you say it is clear, again, this is your persuasive, your audience device that you're using. And then you have given your argument, and it is so very obvious that the opposite person cannot say no. The opposite person cannot refuse it. It's like as simple as like, how can you be so blind? It's, you know, bright light and you cannot see. Okay. So now these were the things which you saw, okay, in your persuasive speech, which was written out here, how you had a good title, how the introduction was done, right? Okay. How the introduction was done, how was the text structure, how was the paragraphing.
And the opposite person, whoever is listening, can't say no. He has to.
Obviously, that's the point of having a persuasive speech, that the opposite person, whoever is listening, cannot say no. So
Even if he wants to.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
No,
but if he wants to, he can say no, ma'am.
if he wants to, but then what's the point of persuading him, right? That's the main thing is you need to persuade. You need to have your ideas. You need to have your vocabulary so strong. You need to have your arguments so much perfect, you know, and so effective that the person does not have a chance of saying a no. Okay, so that's the reason I gave you this particular annotated speech, wherein you can understand how the flow is going, how they've used the different, like you remember we had done on last time, the different checklist which we are supposed to use, how they've used, you know, and accordingly you are going to develop more. Okay, now some of the words which you can
Ma'am, I
definitely...
have a question.
Yes, tell me.
But there are some people who know that you are right, but still they say no. Then what about them?
Yeah, that is pride. That is pride and arrogance. You know, at times it is very important, Sophia, that we know which battles to fight and which to let go. Okay, so at times that comes arrogance when they know it is right, it is correct, and then also they are blinded by their own pride and arrogance, and you can't do anything about it. Okay, so you need to leave them. Okay, so here are some of the words which are there, like for persuasive writing, how you can start your introductions. Okay, please go through it, just read them, right? And right, you can just go ahead with it. Okay, I hope I'm just giving you a minute or two to read them, and then we'll start with an exercise, the activity.
I think that I'm sure that certain unwritings of course in the same thing. On the other hand, in this situation, specifically earlier furthermore, narration also final life files beside that being more of a similar certain in the cause. For example, in fact, for instance, whenever in support of just ending for these reasons, within that on the whole, inshallah, without one or two of these arguments and gains unfair loss and gain. I'm done.
Everybody's done? Yeah? Mazum Mudabbar, I like the way you're smiling. Yeah? Okay. Right. Saklin, Abdullah, Amina, Humaira, we all done? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, you know what? I will smile. Okay. All right. So now, what are we going to do?
Play.
Yeah, we are going to play. What video did we see?
Hearing.
About
the machine
right? Right? We saw that video. Okay, fantastic. Now, what are we going to do? We've learned about the persuasive speech, okay, and we've learned about what are the different components of a persuasive speech. Okay, so now I want y'all to persuade Abdullah, Saklin, and Mozam to share their hair, have a haircut. Come on, start. All right, I'll give you all a chance as well. Yes, Abdullah, you're already saying no.
I'm still not going to do that, ma'am.
No, don't worry. I've got a trump card, Abdullah. Come on, start. Okay? Come on.
Everyone is started at my home, ma'am. Everyone.
Where's Muttabir? He's gone to get a scissor to cut off your hair. Right? Okay, start. Come on, Humaira. Ahmad, please join in. Yes, come on. You know what all you have to do, what all you have to use, okay? Let's give an interesting title to it. What title do you want to give?
Cutting off hair.
Cutting off hair, okay. Right, anybody else? Yes, sorry? The haircut.
Please have a haircut.
Actually, sounds, that horror style, the haircut. I think I like that, the haircut. Yeah, we will go for the haircut.
Please have a haircut.
Okay, Muttabir, you're with us, right? Because Mozam, you have to persuade Mozam to trim and nothing doing. If nothing works out, if it doesn't work, the persuasive speech doesn't work for him, and then when he goes off to sleep, you can just chop off his hair. It's perfectly fine, okay? I give you the permission. Okay, boys. So what will be the next thing we'll be doing now? Okay, introduction. The introductory paragraph. So what would you be doing in your introductory paragraph? Go on. Introduction of the speech. Yes, Aklin, you can join in as well. It's perfectly fine. No, it's all about your haircut and Abdullah's and Mozam, but it's fine. Go on. Remember, this is your introduction. You got to get your audience hooked on to. Okay, you need to, it's an opening of your speech. So how will you go about it?
Who's starting, ma'am?
Sorry?
Who's starting?
Whoever. I'm okay with anybody. Whoever wants to start can go ahead with it. Ahmad, are you there? Yes, I can see Ahmad's hand. Yes, Ahmad. Your Dr. Doofenshmirtz, he doesn't have any hair. He just has Supandi style hairstyle. Yes. Okay, go on.
You should cut your hair because your hair is very big, and if it grows big, then you look like a girl.
Okay. Right. Anybody else? How will you introduce? Yeah, this point which you gave, Munib, that would come in your paragraphs, your introduction.
We can send them to her so that they have to cut that.
Okay. Okay.
I agree.
Like that. I like that. But like I said, we are talking about speech right now. Let's do the action later. We convince them by the speech part. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Mutafir, Humaira, Ahmed. Yes, Amina. How will you introduce this particular topic? How will you introduce? Ahmed, I can see your hands, okay? I'd rather see you. Are you drowning or what is it like? And are you asking for help? Don't tell me you're actually picking up on his nose and you're cleaning his nose. Ew, that's disgusting, Ahmad. Ew. Okay, so tell me, how will you introduce?
Dr. Dickens.
You can use any of incidents in your life, in your personal life, anything related to some movie, any statistics.
You can select to look presentable.
Okay.
In order to look presentable.
Okay. I was walking down the other day. I had to go and buy some groceries, okay? And apparently I saw my friend walking ahead of me and I called out to her, hello, Aparna. And guess what? When they turned, it turned out to be, it was not Aparna, it was Amit. He had long hair and I got so confused that whether it was a girl or a boy. You can start this way as well. Got it? This is the way you could introduce, okay? So, well, guys, you can start your speech with an incident in your life or maybe humor or maybe any kind of facts or statistics, okay? Now the second point, okay? When you come to your second paragraph, the first point was like what Munib said, you need to cut your hair, otherwise you will be looking like a girl.
You can start by a short story.
Yeah, you can do that. Yes, Safiya, go on. Please tell me the story. What would you say?
You just share a story with us.
Like what? Yes, Amina. Mazan Mutabir, come on. Humaira. What's with you guys, Why don't you all just talk? Or already, it's understood that these people are going to trim their hair off? Yeah? It's already understood.
Ma'am,
yes.
The people who don't cut now, they look from behind like a girl.
Exactly. That's the way we started a session, right? The introduction. That's the way we went ahead. We said a small story. Okay. What else can we go for? Tell me.
People will bully them if they don't cut their hair.
You're going to bully them?
Other people will bully them.
Okay. So
First, I'll try to convince them that cut your hair.
Yeah. So what would you say to convince them? Tell me, Safiya.
I would say that, yeah, cut your hair.
And 5 more minutes. After that, these boys are going to get a chance wherein they are going to put their they are going to convince you all that why they are not going to cut the hair. Okay.
Okay. You should cut your hair.
Girls, come on.
You should cut your hair because you need to look presentable, and because if you don't look presentable, no one will like you. And
okay, I like that. No one will like you. Okay.
Well, many people say that.
Cut your hair.
Okay.
If they don't, then we will give reasons that you should cut your hair.
You should cut your. Okay. So
let's have a debate.
point is, you know, it's like you're saying that you need to trim your hair so that you look presentable and handsome and good looking so that people will like you. Okay.
Ma'am, let's have a debate.
Yeah, it's going to be a debate. You are presenting your point now. They are going to present their point, and you all have no points. You know, so come on fast. Otherwise, these people are going to just win. Yes, come on. Sakleen is all charged up. He's just waiting for the chance to defend his hairstyle. You know, come last. I'm going to just right. Yes, Sakleen. Yeah. Sophia.
But in Punjabi, they are not allowed to cut their hair.
And then, it's just Abdullah, Sakleen and Mozam. So it's okay. No balle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's fine.
Then, if you don't cut your hair, you have to make the bun like early in the morning. You have to make that bun like you have to make the girls like.
And it will be some waste of so much time, right?
Yeah.
It will take so much of time and efforts and energy for you to actually tie up your hair.
For girls, but
and ma'am, if they don't cut their hair, no, the hair will come to their eyes, and then they will not
be able to see.
They will have to do like this, like this, like
you know,
this.
They'll wear that, you know, that Abhishek Bachchan style, those hairbands, or you know, like Brad Pitt used to wear those hairbands.
Then they will also have to put rubber bands on their hair.
You know what happened the other day? A sparrow came, okay, and instead of laying an egg in the nest, guess where did it lay an egg?
On the head.
Well done. Where did it go? Well, see, like I said, you can use these kind of things as well. Okay, you can say these kind of things as well. Okay, the sparrow got confused. You know, okay, where is my home, right? And well, eventually, okay. Then what else? Come on, girls.
Man, that's fair. That much sense that if the hair is black in color, the sparrow would know that this is not my nest, but hair.
No, Sophia, they actually use hair also. I've got a bird out here, Mina, who's made a nest outside my room, and they're using hair as well. So guys, be careful, right? Sakleen, Abdullah, Mozam, okay? Okay, what else? Come on, I'm just giving you 2 more minutes, and then the boys are going to take over. Come on. You know, Ahmad, thank you so much for entertaining us with all those cartoon characters. I really wish you would be a part of the conversation and give good gyan.
And the first time I saw that, I was like, who is that person?
Okay. You know, but in lockdown, actually, long hair is of benefit, you know.
Yes, ma'am,
pollution. The scrub, to scrub the utensils, if it gets over, all you have to do is just hold your hair, like that. You can do that, right? Okay, what else? Come on, tell me. Okay, just ended. Farhana is just gone because she needs to help Umayma with her session. They are doing some candle thing, and that's the reason Farhana is not there. Otherwise, she would be joining you all with the arguments. But she had to go to help Umayma with her session, right? Okay, now how will you end it? Give me a conclusion. Give me a conclusion.
Let's please cut your hair then.
Yes, tell me.
Please cut your hair.
That's it. Please cut your hair.
Ma'am, what?
We gave so many reasons, ma'am. Now.
So in the ending, we just had to say that.
Yes, ma'am. In starting, we said that, and then we said this.
Come on, Amina. I want a good punchline. And I really need a punchline, okay? We really
I'm not speaking, ma'am.
And Muslim and Abdullah. Punchline, yeah.
Please cut your hair.
I was waiting for that. Yeah, go on.
So we can say that if you have long hair and you won't comb them properly, so you'll have lice in your hair. And that...
Fantastic. You will have lice in your hair. Okay, that's so good.
If you want lice, then you don't have to cut.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
No one is persuading us. They're just telling, the pros and cons.
Yeah, so it's okay. Don't worry. They will.
That's only
If you cut your hair,
our
we
type of
will.
persuading.
Waiting for you, Mari. Come on. See, I told you he trimmed his hair, so he's going to be making dead sure that you guys also.
And that's our type of persuading people.
Okay. Yes. Let Ahmed talk.
I would say
If,
please cut your hair, or it will be used as a scrubbing this in my dishwasher.
Rather remove the please word, please. Okay. Fantastic. Yes,
Ma'am.
you want to ask?
Ma'am, if they cut their hair,
Hmm?
we will give them something in return.
No. I don't want to give. Please. This is not bargain.
I would
no
also
bargain.
not say that.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
No. If they cut their hair, we'll give them their hair in return.
Yes.
They can keep it.
It's them perfect.
They can keep it.
That's because our
They can donate their hair and sell it. Yes, they can donate their hair. They can make wigs out of it.
Who's going to buy their hair?
No, ma'am. People donate hair. They make wigs out of their hair. Wigs.
And then they will give it to Roald Dahl. He will put them in some benches.
Roald Dahl is already dead.
Okay, so I guess I give the card out to the boys to defend themselves. Okay, and I want to see what argument, how they are going to persuade the, Saqlain, Mozam, and Abdullah Saqib. How are we going to persuade these people that no, long hair is cool and we're going to keep it on? Go on.
I don't think they will.
Go on, start. Mozam, Saqlain, you have to give a title, to your speech first. Guys, if you don't give me any good logic, speech, or document, I'm going to make sure I call up your mothers and ensure that you'll have to trim your hair. Okay? Look at Mozam. Fantastic. I like that expression. Abdullah Saqib just disappeared. This video is gone. Okay, there he is. Right. Saqlain, come on, guys.
Can I say?
Yes, please.
I won't cut my hair because I want to make a world record.
Ooh.
Growing the world's longest hair.
My goodness, he wants to make a world record. Okay, fantastic. Okay,
You can make a world record with the shortest hair also.
No. Sophia, let them speak now. We had a chance. Let the boys talk now. Okay, well done, Sophia. Okay. What title will you be giving? See, we had something like The Haircut, and it is really horror, thrilling, making you guys do a haircut. What about you guys? What title would you like to give to your speech? The Uncut?
Why should people keep long hair?
Oh, why should people keep long hair?
Marvelous hairstyles.
Hairstyle, Lalama hairstyle. We can do that, right? Okay. Now, give me points. Yeah, Abdullah Saqib.
Someone told that you just cut your hair and donate it. Someone told that, right?
Yeah.
So what I tell is, there are many other people who are donating, right? So why should we also go and donate? There are other people donating.
No, but you need to donate, Donation should be there with you, always and forever. But I don't want their hair. Right. Okay. Come on, give me your arguments. It's not a debate. Let's not counter-argue what they have said. Just give me your arguments. Yes, Mozam, come on. Remember, I'm going to definitely hit Mutabir to make sure that he cuts while you're sleeping. I need good arguments.
No, I want to keep long hair because I like them. And it is my personal wish that I want to keep long hair. No one can persuade me to cut my hair short.
Okay, so basically you're playing your democratic card. I'm in a democratic country, right? Freedom. Okay. What else? But you need to persuade these girls, that I'm not going to cut my hair. You need to persuade Munib. You need to persuade Perry. Perry disappeared again.
Ma'am, we'll keep growing our hair for donation.
Okay, I like that. So longer the hair, that much more you get. Fantastic.
If you want to give donation, you'll have to cut the hair, then donate it.
Leave them. Let them go. They are all in roll. You know, the guys are all in roll. They need to defend their long hair. Abhi aa gayi Aan, Shaan or Baal pe. Yes, fantastic. Go ahead. Go on, guys. Ahmed, you can help them, you know. Humaira? Yes,
I'm
Abdul.
not going to cut my hair, ma'am, because it's my own wish. I like keeping long hair.
Because?
It's my own wish. I like keeping long hair.
Yeah, again, no. It's not about your wishes. You need to persuade them, you know, how having long hair is good and why you should have a long hair. Wish is fantastic, Abdullah, but apart from that, tell me more. Go on. Yes, Muslim, think, Saklain. Why long hair? Why? You're harming the economy, you know, by not going to the saloon for a haircut, right? What is happening?
Ma'am, but there's lockdown. So how will they go?
Yeah.
They can cut their house in home.
Not that they can buy
No,
that.
some saloons are open.
Whatever comes, you know, that equipment, and they can use it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So.
Right?
Yes, Atul.
Even Artugal's hair is longer than us, so he should also cut his hair.
Who?
Sophia, that was for you. Okay.
Who's there, ma'am?
Artugul, his hair is long, right? So even he needs to cut his hair. And so does...
Ma'am, but he lives in Turkey and we don't have a number yet. We would have told him to.
Yes.
So does...
And that was old time. In old time, there was a saloon also.
Ma'am. Look.
How will they cut this?
Nike. How could you not get Nike, guys? Baba in Hindi is called Nike. You know, there was a proper Baba picture. And you
no, it was a tradition for them.
Okay. Final.
Ma'am, that time they did not have haircuts.
Punchline, guys. Come on. Give me a punchline. Give me a punchline. Think. I like the arguments you presented. You know, they were brilliant. Go on. I need a punchline.
Justice for our hair.
I like that. That is superb. You know, that was superb.
What did he say?
Justice for our hair. Fantastic.
Justice for short hairs.
Justice for a fantastic. You know, the guys, they really nailed it. They were fantastic in this, right? So I think I should give it to them. What do you say? Right?
Ma'am, we also don't.
No.
Yes.
No.
We had more points than them.
No.
Ma'am, are they actually not going to cut their hair then?
No. I think the boys say that, you know, they are fine.
Ma'am, they will actually grow their hair long and make
Ma'am,
them...
if you count that 1 point as 2, then also we also
Ma'am, I have a solution
for my hair.
Put shampoo every day and the hairs will get long. After
I have a ma'am, see.
Oil your
cut
hair.
their hair, their wish will also be fulfilled and our wish also be fulfilled. Take a wig of long hair, cut their hair and then wear the wig. They have long hair and they'll cut also their hair.
Okay, fantastic.
That's also a solution.
Fantastic. Okay, I think I would give it to the boys. I know, Abdullah, but
Ma'am, count it with points, ma'am.
Which we needed to do. That's the reason.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Count it with points. Who did more points?
Actually, rather than quantity, I would go for quality. And I think the boys get to keep their hair because they were fantastic with their arguments. So well done. But don't worry. Do not mess with me. Okay. I'm your teacher. I'll make sure that you have to cut your hair. Okay, all of y'all. Okay. Anyways, it was fantastic. Do you remember the teams we usually make?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I have an assignment and you're going to work it throughout the week, and next week it's going to be the presentation of that assignment.
Ma'am, we never had pairs, na ma'am.
We never had?
Pairs. We only had like 5-6 people in one team. We never had pairs, na.
Yeah, we'll do pairs some other time. This time again, it's teamwork. Why? Because I have, like, you know, the persuasive speech. Yes, yes, I know, Abdullah Saqib. They have tried to persuade you, but they couldn't, right? To trim your hair. Like I said, I'm the teacher. I can get it done, you know. So don't worry, right? Okay. So you remember your teams, right? Muslim, Muttafir, everybody. You all remember the teams which I usually make.
Yes, ma'am.
5 and
We are
5.
in breakout room, ma'am.
Yeah, in the breakout room. Humaira, Ahmad, please listen to this. And next time, I want you all, see these, we are going to start your assessment soon, okay? And there was thundering right now and it was really loud. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for showing me your hand. You know, it's so good. If ever, I think Ahmad would go for politics in our country, he would support which party?
No party, ma'am.
Golden Sparrow Party.
Yes. He would support Congress. Why? He's always, you know, the whole session.
So he'll go for BJP.
Ma'am, I would go for no party.
Ma'am, we
He'll
will
go
go
for
for Golden
BJP.
Sparrow,
I don't want to
ma'am.
vote.
Golden Sparrow Party.
Okay. Right. Now, what
Ma'am,
I'm
this-
going to do, you'll listen.
Ma'am,
Yes, Safiya, tell me.
except for Golden Square parties, these
That is
the
so
politician parties only faded don't do.
Okay. So now you have teams. Both of you teams have to prepare a persuasive speech, and I want it proper with the title, with the introduction, with different points, the paragraphs, the language should be proper.
The teams that we did today in those teams only, like the haircut.
No. I'm giving you the theme, darling. Don't worry, I mean, I'm giving you a theme, and that's the reason I'm giving you 1 week. What you gave me just now was lukewarm. I don't want it lukewarm. I want it steaming, piping hot, okay? And I want really with all the seasonings. Remember your sandwich, okay? All the punchlines, all the facts, and make it interesting. It could be sarcastic humor. It could be genuine humor. It could be a story. But you have to be better than your opposite team. Marks will be given to you, grading would be done, okay? So it would be proper. Remember all the layers of a sandwich, the same way your introduction, your conclusion would be there, and your paragraphs would be there, the facts, the statistics, everything would be there, okay? And now your topic is this, okay? I'll just show you your topic.
What are the teams? Same team?
Same team. You know who this is?
Yes, ma'am.
Virus.
The 3 Idiots are a teacher, ma'am.
Yes, he is Virus from 3 Idiots. Okay, and what's the speciality about this Virus?
I don't know.
He writes with.
He was very strict, ma'am.
Okay. Or should I say what drawback does this Virus have? Yes, Amina?
He was very strict.
Yes, he is very, very strict. And how does he run his institute? Does he... Farhana, you need to unmute yourself. I can't hear you. Oh, you're outside. Yeah, okay. I could hear her from the other room, but not in the meeting. Okay. Right. He does not. Okay. Who would like to say? Amina, would you like to say about Virus? Because there are some people who wouldn't know about Virus. Probably Ahmad doesn't know. Abdullah doesn't know. Right?
Ma'am, he was a...
Yes. He is a very strict dean of a... He is a very strict dean. Thank you, Ahmad, for the cross. Thank you so much. Yeah, he is a very strict dean of an institute which is for medical doctors. Okay. And yes, Farhana, tell me what you were saying.
He does not encourage students to do something different.
Yes.
Like if they're learning about this doctor, so there was this kid who made a drone. So he didn't encourage him. He said, "You are out of the school."
Yes. He was the type of very rigid type of learning, very strict type of learning, very, you know, that typical formal style of education. Okay.
And
he encourage creativity.
If the child fails, he removed them out of the school. He was the best student.
Yes. And he wouldn't encourage any kind of creativity. He would be promoting, you know, rote learning and following by the book. You know, there would always be like, you know, color inside the box, not outside the box. Okay, right? So now you have to persuade Virus to start Golden Sparrow. Because Golden Sparrow style of education, the unschool is exactly opposite to what he
Ma'am,
does.
can you repeat what you just said?
Yes.
You have to convince Virus.
You have to convince, you have to persuade Virus to start Golden Sparrow. Okay? To adopt the teachings and
Ma'am,
Golden
please
Sparrow.
don't.
And just leave him. He won't understand.
He will. You all are there. I'm giving you.
Ma'am, is it an assignment or we have to do it right now?
No, it's an assignment, Amina, and you will be doing in groups. You remember your groups, all of you? The one I used to do in breakout room.
Forgot, ma'am.
Okay.
Can you create new group?
Okay, so we had, I think, who all were there in one group? Can somebody tell me?
Ma'am,
Mozam,
Abdullah, Farhana, and
yes.
Humaira were in my team.
Okay.
One more
Ahmed
over.
also.
I think
Ahmed
you
Kazi
had
also in my group.
Ahmad, Abdullah, Farhana, Munib, and Humaira in one group, right?
Yes.
And then you had Safiya, Mozam Mudabbir, Saklain, and Amina in the other group. Okay.
Yes.
So would this be fair, or do I swap one of the two people who don't know about virus? Or is it okay?
No,
You swap.
you can swap one of them.
It is
Right?
okay, ma'am.
If
Like
you
this.
want.
No, it's okay.
It's
Yes, ma'am,
okay?
it's okay.
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay, yeah, don't worry.
Yes.
Actually, this is a good educational movie. You can watch it also, 3 Idiots. It's fantastic. Don't worry about
And
it.
this team is fine.
Okay, so with this, we're going to end our session. And next Monday, we are not going to have any other syllabus going on. Okay, this is what we're going to talk about. Each one of you all are going to get 15 minutes. Okay, and in that 15 minutes, you have to persuade Virus to start Golden Sparrow. Okay, and it won't be like, I want you to do it, or I like it, or it's my wish. No, I want proper speech, and I'm giving you 1 week to prepare for it. So I will not accept anything. Look, I'm sorry, I will not accept it. Okay, on the spot is different, but this is something wherein you're getting enough time, okay, to gather your data, to present it, to make sure that your vocab is good, to use all the things which I've taught you about, and you're going to give me a perfect, brilliant speech. And each one of you all are going to talk.
How do we do it in the group, like at home?
You need to coordinate, you need to call each other. If you don't have the numbers, just let me know. I'll pass on your mother's number.
You
Okay?
can have the video call.
Okay, and each one will talk.
Ma'am, we can make a WhatsApp group or something.
Yeah, y'all can make a WhatsApp group. Fantastic. Y'all can have a WhatsApp group among yourselves, okay? And I want each member of the group to talk. It won't be like, just few are talking and others are quiet. No, every one of y'all are going to talk. One might give some introduction, the other would give me some points, the other one will give the final conclusion. So are we okay with it? Are we okay with it? Fantastic. Any confusion you can ask me. You can have a WhatsApp group among your own selves, and we can just go ahead with it. And what do we do for the hair? What do we do for the hair? How many would say that they should cut their hair? They should trim their hair. Just raise your hands.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, there goes Amina and Farhana, right? Okay, no, just leave it like, maybe with the hair they feel safe, it's all right. Anyways, thank you so much. I had a great time. But remember your assignment for the next week. Take your time. You have 1 whole week. Use everything you've learned about persuasive speech, and I want something. Got it? Right? Okay then. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.